Right, I've got something brand new for you guys out there. You've been asking and asking. Well, you've been actually asking me a lot of questions around trading, Renko, all the sort of stuff I do via email, via the YouTube channel, and it's getting a little difficult to get back to you all. So I decided, after a bit of thinking, to put it all together in one area. It's going to be called the TheStopHunter Traders Club, and it is going to focus in on exactly what you want for your trading. Whether you're a new trader, experienced, old hand, it's got something for everyone. It's starting straight away. It's available now live, and you can follow the links that I'm going to provide you in this video to join on up. It's great value, but what are you going to get? Let's have a look. Well, first of all, you're going to have direct access to me through a Facebook group, exclusive group that I've set up. Once you join through YouTube, you'll be given the link to join there. And in that group, I'm hoping to build a wider community that's focused around the stuff that I do, the stuff you're interested in, like-minded traders, where you can chat amongst yourselves, as well as chat direct to me. Ask me those questions. It's easier, for me to get back to you and give you the info you need in more real time if you focus in on through the Facebook group. Plus, inside there, content, trade ideas, new concepts, thoughts, everything's just going to be put in there in real time for you to interact with and interact with the other members of the community. So what else will you get on top of the exclusive Facebook group? Well, there's going to be 2 monthly live streams, and they will focus on the community. It's going to be an open session, ask the trader style event where you can ask me whatever you like. Hopefully you can send me in the questions beforehand, and we can build out a database of knowledge. Everything will be recorded and posted into the club. But like I said, it's your chance to ask me direct in a live environment. Plus, I will focus in on a few key topics I think you should be thinking about. Now, why is there 2 per month? Well, that is because of time differences around the world for the different members. If you're in America, if you're in Australia, you don't really want to be staying up to the early hours of the morning to watch one of the feeds. So I'll try to make it as social as possible, and I'm going to flip either one to either side of the timescales, so it'll take in as many of you as possible. And if you miss it, it'll be recorded and dumped into the club anyway, like I said. And then what on top of that, once a month, I will be giving a trading tutorial, all for free, with inside the group. And I'll be focusing primarily on Renko, but also be touching on other trading topics as well, for about an hour long each month. Something for you to watch, and will be posted exclusively within inside the Traders Club. So hopefully speeding on your learning curve in the world of trading, and hopefully putting to bed a lot of those questions and thoughts that you had in your own trading. What else have we got? So on a weekly basis, I'm going to be producing mini live stream market analysis, trade analysis live videos for you, posted exclusively into the Traders Club, just for your eyes only. Whether it's stocks, commodities, forex, anything I think's moving the markets or worth you knowing about, I can post little videos in there for you into the Traders Club. So a great valuable asset to help you along the learning curve, or give you insights into the markets that you might not have thought about or have missed. So a great perk there within inside the Traders Club. So as the community builds up, the membership numbers increase, I'll always be looking to add in new content, new tools, all to aid your trading. Love to hear your feedback once you're in there, things that are missing, things you want. Always open to listening to new ideas and suggestions. I think it's really great value. Got some great tools in there for you to get your trading going. I hope you can join, create a like-minded community of traders where we can all talk to one another, access each other's experiences, knowledge, share it all, and we can all become better traders. Now you're asking, how can I join? It is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go to my YouTube channel at TheStopHunter. On the home page you will see a button called subscribe. Hit that, follow the instructions, and you will fast become a member. All that's left for me to say is then thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you very soon, hear from you very soon with inside the new Stop Hunters Traders Club.